This torus object has a seamlessly tiling displacement map. Unfortunately, the seams are visible. That's because the UV map doesn't fill the entire UV tile. In the UV editor, scale a horizontal edge of a face in the middle to 0 on the x-axis. Do the same for the other side and scale the vertical edges to 0 on the y-axis. Select that face and then press L to select the rest. Right-click and choose Follow Active Quads. Set pivot point to 2D cursor. Enable Constraint to Image Bounds and move the UVs to the 2D cursor. Then scale them up to fill the tile. Now there are no more visible seams. To fix the aspect ratio, reduce the X scale on the mapping node.